Blueberries didn't really exist in Australia. When I started importing blueberries in 1975, nobody knew what they were. I saw a great potential for them, and this is where it went. My name's Ridley Bell. I'm the founder and owner of Mountain Blue Farms, and we grow Eureka blueberries. I had a job at a research institute looking at new crops for Victoria, and the one that stood out for me was blueberries. I found that the ideal place to grow blueberries was in northern New South Wales. That's when I made the move up here in 1981. Most of my time in the business is spent breeding new blueberries. The discovery of Eureka was a game changer for us. It has jumbo fruit, highly aromatic, sweet, and had a real crunch.
Dad is certainly the godfather of blueberries in Australia. The impact he's had on the industry is immeasurable. Back in the early days, blueberries were seen as a food that we would put into a pie or muffins. Dad used to travel the world and growers would tell him his focus on flavour wasn't the right thing. Dad was always firm that they would be a snacking product. Fast forward 30 years and he was actually correct. 100% of the Eureka blueberries go to Coles. We've been doing that since about 2014, and since that time we haven't been able to grow enough. Our relationship with Coles is of the highest importance to us. Coles have put the consumer first and foremost, and that's what we do here. We want customers to have the best possible experience every time they buy a punnet of our blueberries.
Looking back on my life, of all the crops that I worked with, blueberries were the ones that I really loved. I fell in love with them the first time I had them. It has really enriched my life. It's just a joy to get up every day.